Hello, yours. Welcome to CodeForAny, e-commerce Flutter app inside. Today, I need to say this here the change password as well as need to develop this here the forget password screens. Need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this here the UI or the login screens. Look like this here the show. Maybe here make mistakes. So need to check here. Why show this here? This go inside here and appearance evaluation set here the 0 and look like this sets here and also need to set here the background colors color transparency and show like here for this data. Otherwise, need to set here color bg color dot bg. Now display goods with this F bars showing like this here. Now, first of all, need to making here the forget password screen. Forgot password screen dot dots. We need to copy this here the login screen and we need to paste here for this data. Now need to change this name screen forgot password screens and need to import all this and now we need to set here the titles as a forgot password. First of all, we need to configure the screens inside the logins. We need to find out here the buttons. Use this here the context dot push extension methods. Need to give this here the name forgot password like here's and now save here and show like this here's. Now we need to go here and we need to remove here the password field and we need to write down here the send like here's this ones and remove here the another's like here's. Now need to set here the text fields. Please enter your email address like these titles need to set here via this like this set here and now need to change this here the font size or in regular show like here for this data and need to give this here the some height space. Set here the 15 and now display like here and increase this here the this here and now this is forget password screens are the done and need to increase this here now put here. This is the forget password screen so need to developing here and we need to done here. Now we need to go inside here the profile folders and create here the new folders and we need to give this here the name change password screen or dots. We need to copy here this forget password screen. Maybe login is good. Paste here and now need to change the screen name change password. Save here and here set here the titles password change like here and need to remove this field. Now no needs for the email address clean here and also forget password button needs login buttons change this here the save password unused codes you need to remove here Like here, so need to configure change passwords. Now need to set here. Need to configure inside here the setting screens, password, and find out here the button, change button here. Context, push, extension methods, and we need to give this here the change password screen, semicolon, save this here, click on black, go here the login screens, sign up, back here, sign up, profile, and go inside here this password notification, click on change and show like this here the UI. Now the appropriates need here to change, need to forget passwords buttons here's the given here, and now this here's set here the old password, not old, current password, like here set at this here's. After this here this text fields remove here, new passwords, and set here the confirm password repeated, new password, save here and show like this here, remove here this one's 30 no needs. Now need to clean here everything's are the configures here the related to change passwords. Now these screens are the done here for this UI. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.